Hello student, once again welcome to online teaching by UPC. Student, in the previous video I have already explained about representation of graph of pair of linear equation. Today student, I will discuss after taking some example. So first of all, you have to look what is consistent equation. Look at here, consistent equation. A system of two linear equations having at least one solution for given variables is called consistent equation. Student, for consistent equation, when the lines L1 and L2 intersect at a point, then the solution will be possible. Look at here, by graph I have showed here two lines L1 and L2 are intersecting each other at point P, whose coordinate value is alpha and beta, and this alpha is abscissa and beta is ordinate. Here intersect at a point P alpha comma beta. Therefore x is equal to alpha and y equal to beta. These are solution of such type of equation. You know what will be condition already. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then in such condition two lines will intersect each other. Here I want to clarify it by taking some example. So look at here. Solve graphically the system of linear equations x plus 2y equal to 3 and 4x plus 3y equal to 2. Here student, we are observing that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, because here the coefficient of x is 1, here the coefficient of x is 4, so 1 by 4 will be here, not equal to 2 by 3. So graph line of these equation will intersect at a point. Now how can you find pair ordered? So first of all, here I am taking first equation, x plus 2y equal to 3, 2y equal to 3 minus x. After transposing this x right hand side, it will be 2y equal to 3 minus x, then y equal to 3 minus x by 2. Now after putting value of x, if putting x equal to 1, then we get y equal to 1. Look at here, 3 minus 1 by 2, what will be? 2 by 2. The result will be y equal to 1. when x is equal to -1, when we take here x is equal to -1, minus into minus plus 3 plus 1 will be 4, 4 by 2 equal to 2. So result of y will be 2. Again I have taken here x equal to -3. Now put here -3, then it will be minus minus plus 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 6 by 2 equal to 3. Now student, you all will ask how many number will be taken. At least you have to take 2 order pair, and it depends upon you. You can also take more than 2. Why only 2? Because we know that already by given any 2 points a unique line can be drawn. So for finding the value of x and y, you can take only 2 pair of order. Here I have prepared a table for pair of order 1 1, -1 by -1 and 2, -3 and 3. Pair order is 1 1, -1 2, -3 3. These all are coordinate points. From equation second, here is the equation second. Look at here, 4x plus 3y equal to 2, 3y equal to 2 minus 4x. So therefore y equal to 2 minus 4x by 3. Now after putting the value in place of x 1 by 1, look at here, we get as a value y. If x equal to 2, then we get y equal to -2. Here 2, 4 2 ja 8, 8 minus 2 equal to -6, -6 by 3 equal to -2. Again when we take here x equal to -1, then the result of y will be 2. When we take x is equal to -4, then the result of y will be 6. Now once again I have prepared table here, 2 -2, x is -1, here y 2, x is -4, here y 6. Here order are 2 -2, -1, -2, -4, 6. Now we have to draw a graph by taking the value of these two equations. First of all, here I have taken first table for drawing a line. Here is the table whose pair order are 1 1, -1, 2, -3, 3. So look at here, here 1 1, -1, 2 and -3, 3. So these are the first line, L1. Again by taking second table, here is the second table, look at, I have drawn second line. Look at here, line number L2, 2 -2, -1, 2 and -4, 6. Here student, these two lines intersect at a point P whose common coordinates for both equations are -1, 2. Therefore, here P -1, 2, look at here, P -1, 2, this is the common point for both lines and intersecting each other at point P. Therefore, x is equal to here -1 and y is equal to 2. So this is the method for solving pair of linear equations in two variables if it is consistent equation. Here I am giving some homework related to this graph. I have taken here three equations, first, second and third. You have to do as a homework and you have to check the solution is possible or not. Here first equation 4x minus 5y plus 16 equal to 0. Second equation 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. For the second question 4x minus 5y minus 20 equal to 0 and second equation 3x plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. Third equation is some different from these two. 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. From this equation you have to draw a graph and you have to shade the region bounded by these lines and x-axis. How you can do this? Look at here. Here a figure which is in triangular form. Look at here. And this figure is bounded by these two lines and x-axis. So according to question number 3, if you are going to shade the region bounded by these lines and x-axis, then this figure will be shaded. This figure will be shaded. Next is here inconsistent equation. Look at here. A system of two linear equations, if it has no solution at all, in this condition, here the line L1 and L2 will be parallel. Here the general form and here the condition. In such type of inconsistent equation, condition will be A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. If student condition follows like this, then the graph line will be parallel to each other. Look at here, I have showed here, but I want to clarify once again by taking some example. So look at here. So graphically, here x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Here student, we are observing that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, two lines will be parallel. How you can see here is the 1, here is the 2, then a1 by a2 will be 1 by 2, here is the 2, here is the 4, then b1 by b2 also will be 1 by 2, but c1 by c2 is here minus 4, is here minus 3, not equal. So in this condition lines will be parallel. So first of all we have to find out some ordered pair by taking equation one by one. Here I have taken first equation, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2y is equal to 4. This implies 2y equal to 4 minus x. Therefore y equal to 4 minus x by 2. When we put here in place of x 0, then the result will be 2. 0 then 2. When we put in place of x 4, then the result of y will be 0. Here I have taken only two coordinate points, 0, 2, 4, 0. From second equation, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So after simplification of y, here 12 minus 2x by 2. Now put here the value in place of x. When you put x equal to 0, then the result of y will be here so after putting the value of y x, we get as a result here, which is shown in the table. Now taking coordinate value from the table number 1, here I have drawn first line. Look at here, this is the first line of the first equation, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. 0, here 0, 2 is the first order pair. So 0, 0, 2, and then second 4, 0, here 4, 0. The line is here L1. By the second equation, here the coordinate value 0, 6, 6, 0. Taking this order pair, I have drawn another line. Look at here, 0, 6 and 0, 3. This is line L2, and here we are observing that these two lines are parallel. You can also solve similar question from your exercise which is given in NCERT. Have a nice day. Thank you.